Continuing with our 1911 maintenance, in this video we'll be going over proper cleaning. Let's start with the barrel, as it usually needs the most attention. I normally use a solvent like Hoppy's No. 9 with cleaning patches and a bronze brush. A solvent-soaked patch run through the bore followed by scrubbing with a bronze brush will loosen up the fouling so it can be forced out with the clean patches on a jag. The outside of the barrel also gets a good brushing to remove any carbon deposits and then a quick wipe down with a cloth. While you're at it, wipe down the recoil spring and plug to remove any fouling that might be accumulating there as well. Next is the slide. To clean the slide, start with running a cotton swab or pipe cleaner through the firing pin hole and the extractor tunnel to remove any fouling that's accumulated. Next, use a stiff brush to clean the interior, including rail slots, lug recesses, and the breech face. Follow this up with a brush inside a cloth so the bristles force the fabric into the rail slots and pick up any remaining debris. Next, we'll turn our attention to the frame. To avoid having to completely disassemble the frame, we'll use an aerosol cleaner like gun scrubber to flush out any fouling. You'll want to do this outside or in a well-ventilated area. Just give it a generous spray followed by a good scrubbing with a nylon brush, followed by wiping it down with a shop rag. Now that all the major components are clean, in our next video, we'll cover lubrication.